What's up guys, today we are making a video on most useful apps on Android. Yes, so today we are going to cover 7 apps and let's start the video. First one on this list is Zedge. Zedge is a very good app. You can try to bring millions of wallpapers. See, I can open and see we have got so much wallpapers and they're so great. Like I can open for you. See, you have got on anything you want. Like to go for sayings. See, you have got excellent wallpapers. See, I just love this because it is. You have got minimalistic. You have got high 4K and HD. So I think that this is the best. You have gone. You have got all tastes of wallpaper. Like if you like games wallpapers, you have got many wallpapers about that. Like see, you have got many about that, and they are not bad. See, and let's go step ahead and funny. And these are also good wallpapers. So let's go to the next one and see what we have got next. So we have got direct chat on the second. Direct chat is a very good wallpaper if you have got chats. Like you can see I can directly if I have opened any app like this is the best app to multitask. Like if you are watching a video you can also reply to someone and you will get easily message. So this is very helpful if you are more of a chatting person that you chat with others. So let's get to the next one. Third comes never settle wallpapers. So you've got never settle wallpapers. This looks like a not so good app, but you've got excellent never settle wallpapers and they look good, and you can even get without the never settle logo and they look excellent. Like I can show you, you can download from here. So you can see I've applied the wallpaper and this looks great on my phone. So I will recommend this to you all because they look minimalistic and very good. So let's move on to next one. Fourth on this list is 7 time. 7 time is a good clock and its widgets are really outstanding, and you can actually see the minimalism and maximalism, and you can also see that I have also applied this. This you can see because the wallpaper, I will change the wallpaper. So now you can see the clock. It looks great, and I have purchased the full version. That's just 140 rupees. So you can also buy that, and you can see that I have the full version, and I click on this and just change it, and it is as easy as this. Like I want, which is good. I like this, and we've got. Can click on this and change it. Glitch. I like glitches. And see, we have got another widget. So let's move on to the next, which is even more exciting than this. Fifth one on this list is Smart Kit, or you can find on the Google Play Store as Smart Kit 360. So we have got everything here: notepad, translator, dictionary, exercise, file manager, cutter. I don't know that is it. Recorder, flashlight, mirror, magnifier. I can also show you some like notepad. You can add something you can see I have written. You can also do this. Subscribe with the button below, and it would be amazing. You have also got an abacus and calculator currency. See, you can actually see the calculator. And then we have got calculator currency unit, altimeter, compass, heart rate. Heart rate. Let's see the heart rate. 79. I've got 79 heart rate. 69. And we have got speedometer, vibrometer. So much. And it does not end here. We have also got all social media platforms. The ones you have never heard of, like OkCupid, WordPress, Box, Zoho, Gaia, Wikipedia, MailRU. But you have got the popular ones as well: Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Instagram, Tumblr, Telegram, Quora, and we have also got Snapchat. And we have got everything that we want. We have also got all world news. You can see so many news channels: BBC News, CNN News, CBC News, and so many. Oh, and you can also search it for that. And you have got all shopping platforms as well, and the Amazon, eBay, Best Buy. I don't have heard of that. Home Shop, सुना हुआ है. Ublico, Agio, Target. Yes, so it is amazing. You should try this out. Next one is, as the name suggests, unseen. You remain unseen. Like, you can see a message, but others will not be able to know that. So I can see messages like here, and if you want to reply, you have to reply in the WhatsApp. You can't reply here only. So I think that's a problem. Oh, ad. Let's skip that. So you have got. You can. I don't have Telegram. I think so. Yes. So you can remain unseen. And what's better than that? If you don't want to reply to a person, so you can remain unseen. The last one on this list is app blocker, and it is amazing to see how good they have got. But I don't like the ads. You can purchase the full version if you don't want the ads. But let's get inside. You can lock any app you want. You can also lock that uninstall and uninstall, so that if anybody wants to install your app blocker, he can't. And that is the best thing that we can see in this ad blocker. And there are many ad blockers on the Google Play Store, and you can check them out. And but I like the theme better. I like green shade this. So with this I end the video, and bye. If you like the video, a sub would be amazing. And don't forget to comment any recommendation for the next video. And bye. This is burnergenix, and meet you in the next one.